1 iTech.
Welcome to this video tutorial on creating a sentiment analysis application using Flask and React. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to build and deploy this project, and we'll see it in action. Sentiment analysis is a powerful tool used to determine the sentiment expressed in a piece of text. In this project, we use Flask for our backend server and React for the frontend interface. Let's start with the backend setup. We use Flask to create our server and handle requests. Our backend performs several pre-processing steps on the text input, removing HTML tags, punctuation, and stop words, and applying stemming. We load our pre-trained model and vectorizer using joblib, and define a predict endpoint that processes the input review and returns the predicted sentiment. Next, we move to the frontend. Our React application has a simple interface where users can enter a review and submit it for analysis. The input is sent to the Flask server, which processes the review and returns the sentiment. Before we dive into the live demo, let's briefly look at how the model was trained. We used a dataset of movie reviews from IMDb, applied similar pre-processing steps, and trained a random forest classifier. The model and vectorizer were saved using joblib for later use. Now, let's see the application in action. I'll enter a few sample reviews and analyze their sentiment. As you can see, the application successfully predicts whether the sentiment is positive or negative based. In this video, we covered the complete setup of a sentiment analysis application using Flask and React. We saw how to pre-process data, train a model, and deploy an application that can analyze text sentiment in real time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.